All right, so this is I'm about to go to work right now. And this is what my car sounds like when I first started. Let me go pop the hood so I can show you exactly where it's coming from. All right, so all right. So as you can see, it sounds like a plane taking off. Um, I don't know where. It wasn't the engine. No, there was no vibration coming from the engine, but I don't know exactly what that adapter piece was, or I've never seen that in any other car. It seems like that and that valve was the thing that had the most vibration from that noise. So if you know where it's coming from, please help me out. Let me know. I just got this car probably about 5 months ago. It rides great. It's a beautiful car, man. I just want to make sure that I'm keeping it up to date. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks, man.